Hey everyone, my name's Zoe. Welcome to today's workout. I'm so happy to have you guys here. So for today's workout, all you're going to need is a chair, and these are optional, but anything you can use as weight. I'm just using some light water bottles. You can use soup cans, real weights, or you don't need them at all. So it's up to you. But let's get this heart moving here. If you want, you can even do a little march right here. Just taking this nice and slow. So, you can go at your own pace whenever you're ready to be on mine. That is up to you. Let's just breathe here. Roll those shoulders back. And keep these arms moving. Good. Let's add a little more swing in these arms here. You guys are looking great. So for these marches, we're not going extremely, bring our knees super high. We're just doing this just to get our heart pumping, the blood flowing. You also have that option just to take it even slower. Just kind of tapping your feet out is up to you. But here, let's add some arms up and down, up and down. Good. Keeping that kind of rectangle form here. And straighten it up by your ears. Good. Keeping that chin up, I have to remind myself too. Engaging this core in everything you do. I know it's hard to think, how am I going to engage my core when I'm marching? But just keeping it straight, standing tall, squeezing in at points. You guys are looking good. A few more of these. Just drop our arms here. Out. Out and back. Just some up and downs with the lower ones. Good. Hold it here. In and out. We're just warming these arms up. Good. You guys are looking great. Don't forget to not have that back slouching down. Keep that straight. Keep that good posture I know you guys have. And let's put these hands on our hips. Good. Now, if you want here, we take this to a wider march. So all we're doing is making our legs a little more longer, and more of a length, but keeping that same pace that you're going at. Again, this is your workout. I'm just here for some help if you need it. Good. Make sure these shoulders are rolled back. How we feeling? Hope you're feeling good. I know I'm getting a little bit warmed up here. Now, if you want, we can bring it in for 1, 2, and 3, and out for 1, 2, and 3. Again, 2, and 3. There's that music. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Let's do 2 more of these. Games don't like your tilted stage. The role you made. Last one. And out. Good. Now here, meeting in the middle. Now, putting these arms like this, we step out. Out. Good. So, one leg is planted while the other one steps out. Good. Keeping your arms, getting that little bit of squat if you'd like. If not, you just stand tall and tap it out. But see if you can get a little low here. Now, you always have this option to hold on to this chair and step it out. Good. But if not, just keep those arms in front of you and even have have a little bit more help here, adding these arms here. Making like a nice T form. And when we're bending over, our chest is still up. And if you'd like to do that on the chair, you can just out and out. Good. Let's do 1, 2, one more, 3. Let's add some motion here. So we step and back. So now, putting it all together for the step touch. Good. Slow it here. Step. Step. Good. Again, you can go slow the entire time, or you can pick it up. We are just going to go at your own pace. You can use this chair here for this too. Hold on and we step together. Step together. Good. Let's do 2 more. Last one here. Good. Let's take one big inhale together. Put this chair off to the side for now. Now, with our chairs, I'll turn this way towards you. We're going to go into some squats. So, we're going to go right into this wide leg in, just like we saw. We lower to our chair and stand up. So sitting fully on the chair and standing up. It's hard to see my toes here. I'll move this camera. You guys keep going just so you can see my toes, because this is important. Our toes are forward the entire time. Moving our glutes top. This wide leg, so you can go a little bit wider. That's just a little challenge, not mandatory at all. Perfect, guys. Can you guys give me 3 more? I know. You can do it. 2 more here. And last one. Standing up, bring our legs closer together, and we sit. This is a closer leg. But if you'd like, just separate a little bit for a regular squat. Or also, you can go right back into that wider squat. It is up to you. Or you can alternate between all 3. You're extending your glutes so they hit the chair. And as you stand up, your chest is tall, you're squeezing it off. Get that line? Good. Let's do 4 more. 3. If you're doing this with someone, cheer them on. Only 2 more. If you do it by myself or by yourself, you're done with this. Shake out these legs a little bit. Now turning towards the back of our chair, holding on to the back of it. Moving your weight within your leg, holding on to our chair, throwing your leg up and down. So, standing tall, our heel is going towards our glutes, and don't be thinking you have to go exactly to touch your glute. I can't even do that. As much as you can. If it's only here, that's okay. Just so we feel that little leg bit working. 2 more. 1, 2. We switch legs here. Good. A few more here. 4 more. Moving your glutes, engaging that core. 2, 1. Good. Turning towards this side. Going out and in. Holding onto that chair. Again, with these, don't think about how high up can I get my leg. Just go to the point that feels comfortable for you. Keeping that one foot planted on the ground. Good. A few more of these. Just going out and back in. 2, and 1. You can just turn around if you like. I'll turn my chair. Other side. Out and in. You guys are looking good here. Can you guys do 4 more? I want you to challenge yourself. 3, 2, 1. Good. Last of these legs. Holding on to this. We raise and lower on our toes. Holding on tight to this sturdy chair. I really recommend a sturdy chair. And if you don't feel like going up and down, if you can just hold it up if you'd like. Or you can raise and lower. Good. 3, 2, 1. Woo. Shake out these legs a little bit. Now let's pick up our weight. We're just going to use one weight right now, or you can use both. I'm going to use one. So, holding on a one-arm bicep curl. So, for this bicep curl, I'm going to move my camera so you can see me a little bit better. But for this bicep curl, I want you to really think about engaging what? The bicep. So, you're bringing your weight up to your shoulder and lowering it, stopping about right there, right in your hip, and just slowly going up. Now you also can do this without any weight. Bring it up and down, using your arms, so like I'm in 19, and go. And switching arms. Again, keep the hold on that chair if you need that balance. Good. Do 4 more of these. 4. Things up, making sure to breathe. 2 and 1. Good. Now you're going to sit back in your chair. And you're going to scoot back to back again. Our arms are going to go by our ears. We lower and lift with these weights. So this is called our tricep extension. So we're not going to be focusing on the biceps in this one, but the triceps. Thinking, raise, squeeze, lower, controlling slowly. Chin off your chest. Smile right above that chin. Go at your own pace for these. 1 more. Good. And grabbing these 2 weights now. Again, you don't need weights for this. Going back to that rectangle shape. Extend and down. Up to our ears and extended. Out to our sides. You can still see it bare in front of our eyes. Rest our options. 1 and the other one. I've given you this is our last workout of today. So let's do 5 more minutes. You can do it together. Ready? 5, 4. You guys got this. 3, 2, and 1. Awesome job, guys. Let's add a little bit of stretching here, and then we're done. Just some arm circles forward. Pretending like we're swimming in a pool, pushing the water behind us. And backwards. Taking this slow as fast as you want to. Good. And across your chest for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leaning up there, holding on to it, raising and lowering the legs. Just to strengthen out a little bit more. Holding at the top of your leg. 3, 2, 1, and slowly. Feel that stretch at the very top and slowly lower. 1 more. Good. Looks like our time is up now. One more big inhale in. And with a round of applause for yourself. You guys did awesome today. Thank you so much for coming to my workout. You guys have been lovely. I can't even see you, but I know it. I hope you have a great rest of your day.